In this video, we are going to see about the REST APIs, means how we can connect to the REST APIs and how we can import the data from REST API. For this, I do have this one star API website where we have some sample data or sample REST APIs, so where we can get it the APIs from here. The link for this API is given in the video description as well for your information. So this is something which is REST API and REST. If you wanted to understand what is REST API, so you can Google it. There are a lot of information available about it, and that is something one type of standards for integrating with different applications. You can see this is similar to the JSON what we have seen in the previous video. However, it has some structure. This is something which is showing here, and particularly this APIs can give some information about different things. You can see there are some information which I have given. Let's try to see vehicles here. You can type anything and just request this API data. You can get it below where different of like name of the vehicles, its model, manufacturer. So there are various things you can see it here, and you can try to check it. Now this is the one which is REST APIs where we will try to import it in our Power BI. Now I'm just back in the Power BI. Now here you can just get data, click on get data, and then there are options which is web, or maybe if you can click on here also, you will have option that to select that. In this all option also you can get this option of web. Just click on that and just click on connect. Now the here we are going to give the URL. Basically, what are the URL which we have just have this, just paste it that, and whatever we have given, like let's say we have given vehicles, so that we can give it here. Uh, or else if you have just go to the advanced option as well, so here also you can add it, like if you just wanted to have a vehicles, you can see this below URL is automatically generated and it is added here. So this is how we can do it. There are connection timer as well, means for how many minutes Power BI should try to connect. Like within 1 minute, if the URL is doesn't open, then it will time out. Otherwise, it will not. So this that is an optional, but we can set it that option as well. There are some HTTP request header as well. If you wanted to have specify this is something specific to the URL, means if there are anything required, so that is something which is optional, but that also we can use it. Just click on OK now. Once you click on OK, then you can see this is how it is connected and it is imported. You can see automatically many steps has been already applied. Like if you have this sources like just these things, there is a list. However, then later it is converted to a table, then it is expanded results like this results has been expanded, and now it can show records, then again it is expanded. Now you can see finally different options, which is results, name, model, manufacturer, then cost, and finally the data type has been changed for some of the columns. So this is something which is done. And now also there are, you can see there are some list. So this is an option which is available on this. If you just click on here, expand to new rows or extract value, so we can just click this expand to new rows, and you can see means this is again expanded the URLs which are available here. There is also a list record, so we can also do this as well, means you can just click on here and you can say click to expand to new rows, and this is how it looks like now. You can see all the data is expanded and it is showing all these results. So whatever data, I suppose you don't want to have this, then we can just remove this. But this is how we can connect and input our data. So this is the way we can import the data from the REST APIs. And whatever the rest of APIs, like if you wanted to have this other information like people, starships, or something which is also available on that particular website, that also we can do. So wherever you can see there are many REST APIs, and we can connect this way to the Power BI. I hope you have understood this. If you have any questions or comments, do let me know in comment section. If you like my video, then please like it and share it with others as well. Thank you for watching.